1960s, Lucio and Larry Cochanco migrated from Cabanatuan to Manila. They were both rice mill owners who dreamt of a better living. We are here at Elcano Street, the heart of wholesale trading in Divisoria, where it all started. Lucio and his wife Ederlina rented a small office with one staff and began trading agricultural products. Soon, their children became part of managing the business. And in 1993, Fly Ace Corporation was born.
Hi, I'm Larry Cochanco. I'm one of the director of Fly Ace Corporation. So, at a young age, 10 years old, nauutusan na ako to do the collection and to do some deliveries, no? Sa Binondo kasi, usually, ang storefront is the office warehouse and then yung taas would be the bahay, no? So, every time you go to school or pag mangangapit bahay ka, no, you will pass by dun sa office. And then, you would see or hear things that is related to the business. So, basically, you are entrenched. The vision of the Jolly brand would be to be available in all households here in the Philippines. We want to develop a brand that is trusted and, of course, delicious and nutritious for the common Filipino to use.
Jolly ensures that everyone has access to fresh and quality produce at all times. Not only that, Jolly products are convenient to use. They can easily be stored in your home, and most are ready in easy open cans. From successfully providing high-quality consumer goods, Jolly launched its first TV commercial in 2007. Jolly has maintained its partnership with credible personalities, as well as a great number of food content creators. Today, Jolly celebrates its 25th anniversary by cementing its leadership as a consistent leader in the packaged vegetables category.
Mainly, the success of Jolly brand would be the people behind the brand. Maswerte tayo that we got honest, maasahan, at masisipag. As an owner, we show our employees what needs to be done. We do not tell it to them, but instinctively, they would understand that they would need the malasakit, no, in their daily routine. Business principles that I learned from my parents would be integrity. Tinuro sa atin ng parents natin, when you say something, you have to do it. No? Maski na napahamak ka na dahil nasabi mo, but still, you have to do it. After 25 years, the plan is for the Jolly brand to be available everywhere. We believe that eating healthy, nutritious, and delicious food should be accessible to all Filipinos. We want Filipino families to be more creative with their recipes and make their families more jolly.